Every human life begins the same way, with the meeting of an egg and a sperm. The egg, one of the largest human cells, carries half the genetic code and is released once a month, waiting in the fallopian tube for only 12 to 24 hours. The sperm, tiny and numerous, are released by the hundreds of millions, each carrying the other half of the genetic code. Their mission? To reach the egg. A journey filled with peril and competition. The female reproductive system is both a nurturing landscape and a gauntlet of obstacles. For sperm, it's like swimming across a vast, hostile ocean to find a single, fleeting island. Only the strongest and luckiest will make it to the egg. This is the beginning of the greatest race in biology. Sperm enter the vagina and begin a frantic dash, propelled by their tails. Their first challenge, the cervix, which opens its gates only during ovulation. Most sperm fail here, but a few make it into the uterus, where they must guess which fallopian tube holds the egg. Muscular contractions help guide the survivors, but the journey is still treacherous. By the time they reach the fallopian tube, only a few hundred remain. The egg, surrounded by protective layers, waits like a fortress. The final challenge breached these defenses. The race isn't over yet. Only one will succeed. The remaining sperm swarm the egg, releasing enzymes to break through its outer layers. It's a team effort, but only one sperm will make it through. When a single sperm fuses with the egg's membrane instantly hardens, blocking all others. The victorious sperm's genetic material merges with the egg's, forming a new nucleus. This single cell, the zygote, now holds a unique genetic blueprint. In this moment, a new individual begins. Eye color, height, and countless traits are set. From millions, only one succeeds. The first chapter of a new life is written. The zygote's journey has just begun. The zygote travels down the fallopian tube, dividing rapidly, 2 cells, 4, 8, and so on. This cluster, called a morula, reaches the uterus in a few days. The uterus, prepared with a nutrient-rich lining, welcomes the morula. The morula becomes a blastocyst, ready to implant. Shedding its shell, the blastocyst attaches to the uterine wall. It burrows in, establishing the connection that will nourish it for months. This marks the true beginning of pregnancy. From a microscopic union, a new life is set to grow.